Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tummy Comforts, and today we're going to be doing something super simple. We got some good old-fashioned seasoning, some Creole Cajun seasoning right here. And it's not difficult, it's super simple, and I guarantee you probably 9 times out of 10, if you cook like me, you got all these seasonings in your cabinet, pantry, whatever. And if you don't cook like me, and you just got random seasonings you bought and you don't know what to do with them, I'm gonna show you what to do with them. We're gonna make some Cajun seasonings. I ain't gonna talk you to death, so stay with me. Super simple, super easy recipe. Alright, so as you see, I got everything laid out right here already. I got 2.5 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. I got 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder. I also have 2.5 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Actually, this is smoked mixed with sweet paprika. I got just 1 tablespoon of red chilies, tablespoon of dried thyme. Oregano. There's the dried thyme, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of basil, dried. I have my salt. And I got fresh cracked pepper. And as you can see, I already started freshly cracking some of that. And I was gonna ground up my white pepper, but I got some ground white pepper as well. So let's get started on it. Listen, this is super easy, and 9 times out of 10, you already have all these spices in your pantry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump everything into a mixing bowl. I got my garlic, my onion, my cayenne pepper. Set that over there. I got my paprika mix. All right. I have my crushed red chilies. I have my ground white pepper. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure out a tablespoon of fresh ground pepper. Just finishing this up. If you don't want to be sitting here grinding all day, just go and grab some that's already ground up. But I like mine fresh, so I'm gonna get that dumped in there like that. And I got my thyme, and I got a whole lot of thyme on my hands. My oregano and my basil. Now at this point, you can go ahead and whisk it. Now this recipe calls for salt, and I put it in this in the description down below that it's up to you if you want to add salt to this now. I like to put a little bit of salt in here, but mostly y'all, because normally when I cook, I like to add salt to whatever I'm using this with. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with a 1/4 teaspoon, well, a 1/2 teaspoon of coarse salt, and I'm gonna just give this a whisk. And the reason why I got this big bowl for this little bit of amount is so we can mix this evenly, right? You don't want to have no clumps in there. You want everything to be evenly distributed throughout this, right? Reason why I started making my own seasonings, I don't know if you ever went to the store and bought Cajun. It's not hot. You're wasting your money. Cajun is meant to be hot. This is a Creole Cajun, right? And this is very, very spicy. It's not made for kids. It's not made for anybody with a weak palate, anybody with a weak tongue. This will burn you, right? So there you have it. Now what I'm gonna do is just scoop this out and store it into a jar. Got a couple of small mason jars here. And you can hold on to this for about 3 months. And that's if you can hold it that long. Because not only is it spicy, it's going to enhance the flavor of pretty much everything. Oh God, everything you cook. All right, let's get that on there like that. Yep. I'm gonna get this one filled up, the other one filled up. So you can use this on your shrimp, your chicken, your lobster tails, your whole lobster. Pretty much this is for me, it's a multi-purpose seasoning. Just like how you would have seasoned salt or whatnot. I got Cajun. I like to make my Cajun Alfredo with this. And again, this is pretty spicy. So you just want to make sure that whoever's eating this can handle it. Because the last thing you need is for your spice to overpower what you're eating, and that's all you tasting. All right. So, and again, you can store this for up to 3 months in a cool, dry place. And there you have it, my friends. Seasoning. Check me out on one of my next videos. I'm gonna show you how to turn this into Jamaican jerk seasoning. And I ain't talking about, again, that stuff you buy in the grocery store. I'm talking about some real authentic Jamaican jerk seasoning. So I'll turn it into this. And also check out another one of my videos that I'm gonna get ready to post soon. I'm gonna add dried lemon to this. I mean, you heard of lemon pepper, you probably never heard of lemon Cajun. So I'll show you what's up. I'm gonna show you how to turn this into a multi-purpose deal. Thanks for watching. See, I told you it wasn't that difficult. Super easy, super simple seasoning. And you can use this pretty much on whatever you want. Your shrimp, pasta, chicken, steak, spaghetti, lasagna, anything. Just like how you got a multi-purpose seasoning salt. For me, personally, I don't know about you, but I could use this on pretty much anything. I love spicy, I love hot. And just like I said before, if you stay with me in my next upcoming videos, I'm gonna show you how to turn this into Jamaican jerk seasoning. It's pretty much got all the ingredients already in here. You just gotta add another half a list of stuff, but you already got it. And if you stay with me longer, I'm gonna show you how to turn this into lemon Cajun seasoning. All right, just like how we got lemon pepper, I'm gonna show you how to turn this into lemon Cajun with dried lemon zest. All right, so thank you for watching, and stay tuned, and don't burn your butt off trying to eat this whole container on something. Peace.